Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to use zoom on your laptop. So to zoom your laptop's display, you have to use the Windows and plus buttons combination. So press Windows and plus buttons at the same time, and the screen magnifier will turn on. You'll be able to see a bar on your screen, and on this bar you have quick settings of the magnifier. For example, using minus and plus icons you can change the zoom level. Using these two icons you can reset the zoom level. Using this one icon you can read the text from your screen, and using this one you can select an element or area from which you want the reader to start reading aloud.
Learn about this picture.
Using settings icon, you can change the speed of your magnifier, and you can also change the voice of the reader by expanding this list. You can access the settings, the additional settings, by clicking right here, but if you want to open the settings right from the start, go to the Start menu, then open Settings, then open Accessibility, and here find Magnifier. Open this menu, and here you can enable it by switching this toggle right here. You can change the zoom level and the zoom increment, and what's most important, you can change the view. You have three views to select from: the docked magnifier, full screen, and lens magnifier. So the docked magnifier looks like this. The full screen magnifier is something you just seen, and the lens magnifier looks like this. Each magnifier has its own settings. For example, let's select docked magnifier and see what settings we have here. To see what settings you have for each magnifier, open the View section. And as you can see, you can make magnifier follow your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, and narrator cursor. For now, they are all selected to be followed. If you, for example, make it not follow the mouse pointer will be freely moving across the screen, and the docked magnifier will not move the magnifier itself. As for the full screen magnifier, it also has this setting. Besides, you can make magnifier, you can keep the mouse pointer and text cursor either within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen. For example, if I make the mouse pointer centered on the screen, the magnifier will look somewhat like this. And for the lens magnifier, you can change the height and the width of the magnifier by moving these sliders. This way you can adjust it to your needs. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.